Greetings, YouTube. This is Master Fix It. If Papa can't fix it, nobody can. Anyhow, today we're working on an 03 Toyota Corolla rear motor mount. I've already taken it off because I wanted to make this as simple as I can. This is the old motor mount. It sits in this way. Okay, sits in this like this, but I'm going to give it at an angle so you can see. The long one goes to the passenger side to the front. As you can see, there's damaged here. Bad motor mount here, and you can hear. I should have recorded the clunking noise that would make, but usually it makes a clunking noise. It makes a clunking noise when you put it in reverse. Real clunk noise, real loud clunk noise. So anyhow, it'll start off in the beginning. It'll start off a little small, little soft sound. That gives you indication the motor mount's going bad. Once it's really bad, it'll make a loud clunk every time you put it in reverse, and then put it back into drive and take off. So anyhow, this is what you got to do. Now, one guy out there on YouTube, he removed all this and went down top. I think it's much easier to remove the jack it all up, remove the front wheel. Okay, remove the front wheel. You'll have to jack up the transmission. I'll let you know where to do that. So you want to jack up the transmission right here with this block, with a block, so like so. Okay, raise it up a little bit so you can get that bolt that goes into the motor mount, so you can get it even, and remove that. That's a 17 millimeter. I removed it from the driver's side wheel. You'll need an extension. You can see there I have an extension. It's a 17 millimeter. Remove it, and it'll come out real easy as long as you line it up by raising the transmission right here. Again, right here. Okay, so once you got it up, you got the bolt out, then you remove the jack. Remove the jack so the transmission falls down and moves forward this way. It goes this way. Okay, so now you can remove these two bolts right here and these two back here. Those are 14 millimeters. Okay, remove those, and then that will loosen up the motor mount. And then you have to go up on top. As you can see, here's the motor mount. Here's the nut over here. That's 17 millimeter. So once you remove it, the bolts underneath, here's the old one. You're gonna have to come in like this. You're gonna have to come in. Let me see if I can show it through here. Yeah, this might be easier here. So, you're gonna have to come in. So basically, you're gonna have to come in here like so, between the two brackets, okay? And then twist it over and slowly move it in this way, and then push it down, and it'll go in. Okay, took me a while to figure that out. Let me try to review this again. So you go in between the two brackets like so, turn it this way, move it in underneath the bracket so you can get that long bolt down there, and then it should slide in there. It may take you a while to do a little moving around, but you'll get it done. You can remove it, and you can replace it from up top. So once you put that in there, you want to go ahead underneath the three bolts. I mean 3 nuts and 1 bolt. You don't want to tighten them all the way, so you could you can push this motor mount up or down, so you can line it up, so you can line up the hole, so you can put in the bolt. Okay, so you drop the transmission. You'll raise the transmission back up a little bit, okay, to kind of get it even. You'll probably get even, so the bracket's probably going to get about right here. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is raise the so once you got the transmission raised up, you'll get it about right here, as close as you can to level, and then you'll pick up the bracket either up or down to get the screw in, and that's how I did it. Okay, once you get the screw in, tighten it up, tighten all the bolts, and then remove the jack and put your wheel back on. Make sure you have safety, that you maybe put a block in at the rear wheels, put the emergency brake, and so forth. So anyhow, that's how you remove the rear motor mount on an 03 to 07 Toyota Corolla. Till next time, y'all take care.